If you follow me on Twitter, then you know that I do most of my workouts in the pool. I like to swim laps for about an hour, and it can be challenging because I hate eating in the morning. So I put out a post on Twitter asking what people like to eat before they work out, and this is what happened. I got a response from Ilona, or Chikara Transformations, over in Bulgaria. She's a weightlifter and also a health coach. Her suggestion was cream of rice. If you've ever seen her videos, then you know that she likes to eat it sweet, with cinnamon and maybe some fruit or almond butter. Instead, I decided to go the savory route. So I set out to combine the cream of rice with a couple of scrambled eggs and a bit of Asian flair. You start out by mixing your cream of rice powder with boiling water and just stirring it for a while until it thickens up. It's very similar to making oatmeal or cream of wheat. Now to that, I added 2 scrambled eggs. I use the Gordon Ramsay method where you scramble the egg whites and then you break the yolks and fold them in. I then topped that with a little bit of seaweed and sesame seed furikake and some Maggi seasoning. If you've never had it, it's sort of like tangy soy sauce. You should give it a try, just a few drops. This combination of ingredients comes out to 353 calories, with 35 grams of carbs and 15 grams of protein. Not bad. You could lighten it up by having only 1 egg or 1 egg and an egg white, and you could also play around with the seasonings. My favorite thing about this dish is that it's really easy to eat and it keeps you full for a long time. Thank you for the suggestion, Ilona. I really enjoyed this breakfast. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. What's your favorite pre-workout meal? I'd love to hear from you.